hello again, guys. This is the final video from this series of Syracuse Nationals. We had an awesome time at the show, meeting Daddy. You get to see some of the Winfield's awarded cars. We had a great experience. We had an awesome time meeting customers, friends and customers, people interested, kids, helping them with whatever questions they had, whatever options they wanted on theirs when they could someday order, if they're planning on ordering.
Yeah, it was a busy show. We had great weather except for the last day, but a lot of interest, a lot of hot rodders. So the hot rod truck got a lot of attention, as well as the Speed Star and our blue 33. We had Blueprint was 2 doors down from us, so we were sending people back and forth between us. Good to see James, our rep. And overall, it was just a really good time and a lot of interest, a lot of customers coming by, and a lot of potentially new customers too.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And Justin, it was your first time out at an event like this. How did you enjoy it? You have fun or what?
Yeah, it was a great time. I love talking to all the customers and really getting to meet people that are interested in the products we make. Yeah, the show was amazing, and it was a really fun time.
Awesome. Now just gotta unload the trailer, get everything detailed back in the showroom, and we'll be back to business as usual here.
Hey guys, this is a fun day. We're just rearranging cars, emptying the showroom. We just got back from Syracuse, taking this little half mobile for a ride. It's kind of fun. People freak out because you drive by and they look at the other half of the car and there's nothing there. It's like the skeleton car. Woo!
Just got back from the Syracuse Nationals, and what happened, we're going ahead and we're putting everything back together at the showroom here at Factory 5. Moving around 19 cars just to make sure we get everything back in this proper place here. What I'm driving is the GT500 car. It is a Predator powered 720 horsepower supercharged motor. So, get some fun things going around, moving some stuff around, having a good time.
Hey guys, Owen here. We're just unloading the truck from Syracuse Nationals. We had this guy here. This is our 35 hot rod truck. This is actually our extended cab edition. So about a year or two ago, we extended this cab 4 inches. So I have a lot more room. I'm 6'1", and I got headroom for days. This is one of the trucks that we got a lot of attention at the show. So we're just kind of unloading, getting everything squared up, and packing it back in the showroom. Man, race cars come to life after a long winter's nap. It's good to get the cars warmed up. It just reminds you how much we miss the track. We haven't really raced in earnest since before COVID, so we're firing up everything. We just got back from Syracuse Nationals, and I think it's time to get back to life with some race cars, Car control, baby. Love it.
Guys, Nick here at Factory 5 Racing. Typical Tuesday morning. We're cleaning out our showroom after Syracuse Nationals. We had a blast at that show, but it's time to rearrange some things. Realize we have a few older models around, and we want to show what's all new and exciting here. I'm in our Gen 135 hot rod truck, and you can see I'm 6'3". It's a little short, the cab, so our Gen 2 has 4 inches extra behind this door. Makes it a lot more usable, but it's good looking either way.
Now I'm unloading the MK5 Anniversary Edition with the Blueprint 427, the 351 base, with a TKX type transmission. This thing is a beast, let me tell you. Over 500 horsepower, and we haven't even got the body on it yet. This thing just turns heads no matter where it goes.